Never knew someone who was once a stranger would put my heart in danger. Danger of aching and breaking into a million pieces. I mean, I know we all wonder how it's even possible for someone to even do that, making the heart a victim of regret. The heart is cold, the heart is lost. It's now blind and scared to love another. The heart has a little mind of its own. Its hurt is so strong, it just wants to be alone. Damaged for a while, it's no longer willing to go another mile. It at times screams in pain from the horrific memory. The betrayal is too much to handle. Heart wonder why. Why go for the ultimate kill? I didn't die, I survived, but I wonder why I'm alive. You ripped me, and somehow I still breathe. Years go by, and I'm healing. A new stranger comes along. I'm feeling nice, cute, just my type. But trust went on a cruise. Heart doesn't want to go through this again. Heart is tired of being abused. Heart can't help. It doesn't want to let someone in. Don't let the heartbreaker win. Every stranger is not the same. Heart won't open up. Someone has to have the blame. This stranger is slick confused, but still understands. They're ready to follow your every command. So badly they want your love and your trust. They're willing to give up their heart for you to bust. Heart soon realizes they're a keeper. Heart decides to give a chance. Heart never imagined a beautiful romance. All healed up, beating on time. Heart has trusted one more time. No heartbreaker, you did not win. But heart has loved again.